So, if you're wondering why I'm wearing this and then these pants, it's because we went to go see lights yesterday, and I kept these on, and I took you took the shirt off, you pulled it off, and that's why I have these on. So, anyway, so today is the first day of Vlogmas, guys. You made it to the first day of Vlogmas. So, here is my calendar. Anyways, guys, my mom's just unwrapping it right now. So, I think she's done. So, let's get started. Oh, hi, guys. Now I'm looking for the number 1. Oh, I found it. See, there's chocolate inside. Oh, I got a Christmas tree. I got a Christmas tree. This is the Christmas tree. I'm gonna eat it now. There's 24 milk chocolates inside. You know that the reef that they had on their shirt? Yeah, I had that. I made that, but I was on a paper plate.
Yep.
I can't even drink it, so hot.
Look at the DTV guys. Up here acting like. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. When I smile, you might find your boyfriend going. I know, right? Especially.